Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is affirmation, confirmation. It's time to write down on your list of needs and wants what you want your life to be, what you want your blessing to be, because Spirit is saying, I'm going to give it to you. Tell me what you want. So I'm saying write down on a piece of paper, skip no lines, write on the sides, write on the back, leave no openings, because where there's open spaces, Spirit needs to fill in the blanks. You may not see or ask for what was going to be filled in the blanks. Not saying it's going to be negative, no. But when you have the chance to write everything down, or for your ones down to the punctuation, down to the dotting the I's and crossing the T's, take advantage of it. I listen to myself and I acknowledge my needs. I assert myself and I retain my power. I remain brave and gentle. I don't have to be afraid of others because I respect myself. And then I'm respected by others. How you respect yourself is how others will respect you. And as you write down who you are, what you are, the blessings that you want, people respect that. Spirit respects that because you know exactly what you want and you know what you'll do with it. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.